Hi everyone, it's Donnett DeeAnn with Embroidery.com.
Hi everyone.
This week's project is Crescent Santa by PJ Designs. Crescent Santa is an in the hoop project that comes in two sizes. One for the 6x10 hoop, which will finish out at 16.5 by 14.5, and one for the 7x12 hoop, which will finish out at 19.5 by 16.5. So on this Crescent Santa, you used some amazing fabric for the beard. Tell me about that fabric.
It is a minky fabric, and it has the texture of like real hair for Santa's beard.
It is amazing.
I had so much fun picking this out. I wanted to make it look like a real Santa Claus.
Absolutely. So you had to use a topper, obviously. So what topper did you use?
I tried to use on this one a heat away, and it clumped up in the hair. The other part of it, I just used a wash away.
Just a wash away on top of the minky that you used.
Yes.
Fabulous. And that was you were able to wash that away without any damage to the minky fabric itself, right?
Correct.
This is all pieced into the hoop. How was piecing it?
It was a lot easier than what I thought it was going to be, because other times I've done the piecing and I thought, oh my gosh, this is so hard. It is not working. And the stitches were just lined up exactly the way they needed to be lined up. And they just fit right in. The cutting of them and everything just fit right in next to each other. And so the stitches just went right along and stitched them all together. And it was actually a lot easier than I thought it was going to be.
For the brim of his hat, you used another different fabric as well.
Yes, I just wanted it to kind of look like a Santa Claus hat. And, you know, of course, because Santa Claus has red, the red...
Buffalo plaid.
Buffalo plaid.
I love that.
It turned out so cute. And buffalo plaid is so in right now. That
it truly is.
With the red and the black, and anyway.
Yeah, so. And then the brim is a plush minky too that you used a topper for. Did you use the same topper, just the wash away?
Yes.
On the brim?
Yes.
Okay, so in the hat, there is some quilting on there, and I love how you accentuated that quilting with the bells.
Yeah, it kind of gives you some ideas in the instructions of Crescent Santa to, you know, to do some embellishing on it. I don't remember if it said bells or stars. I think it said bells on the hat and stars on the beard.
Oh.
But the beard, with me using the minky, it wouldn't have shown it anyway. And it was just so cute without them that I just left those off.
Yeah, the fabric itself was embellishment enough.
Yes.
So you were able to stitch the cute little holly and attach that, because that's a separate piece.
Yes, that is a separate piece, and you can attach that wherever you want along the hat.
Or not at all.
Or not at all.
Yeah. No, it's a really cute accent piece. I love that you use glitter flecks for the stars.
Stars sparkle.
Stars sparkle. I love it. Then at the top of the hat, there are two eyelets in there, actually sewn into the design. And that is for hanging. And so you were able to get a dowel so it would hang straight?
Yes, because I tried hanging it without the dowel. It'll curve up, so it won't lay flat. And if you put the dowel on the back of that and just tie the ribbon, then that dowel holds it flat.
I think this Crescent Santa just turned out absolutely amazing. I love how big he is and just kind of how simple he was to put together. Like you said, he went together really, really well. But he makes such a big impact.
He is so cute.
He'd be the perfect accent for anybody's Christmas decor.
Yes.
Crescent Santa is available in a design pack, as well as a thread set and design pack. The Crescent Santa thread set and design pack includes a hemiworsted 6-spool thread set, which includes cardinal red, corn silk, old gold, Kelly green, peaches and cream, and eggplant. Thank you for joining us for this week's project video. For more information on Crescent Santa, check out our beginner's journey into Machine Embroidery Blog on Embroidery.com. where we will have close-up pictures of Crescent Santa, as well as links to his design pack and thread sets. Add Crescent Santa to your machine embroidery collection today. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Happy stitching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.